Hey, what's up, everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio, your favorite Nigerian American vlogger that currently vlogs about life in Nigeria. So today, I am continuing my series of apartment hunting in Lagos, Nigeria. If you have not caught the first episode, make sure to click the link in the description. I'll have a link there. Or if I remember, I will put the link up here somewhere. But if I forget to put the link up here, click the link in the description to watch the video. So this series is just different apartment tours in Lagos, Nigeria. What inspired this series is I was looking for an apartment for some of my clients, for myself and my family, and also some apartments to do Airbnb and Shortlet business. So this is just a series of me shopping for apartments in Lagos, Nigeria. So watch the first episode if you want to look at an apartment tour, but this is also another second apartment tour in Lagos, Nigeria. So this is episode number 2. Anyways, this one is in Victoria Island, and this is actually depicts some of the things you would experience shopping for apartments in Lagos, Nigeria, where the place is not actually ready to move in. There's still a lot of renovations that needs to be made before you move in. But anyways, let me not share the whole video with you guys. Enjoy this episode and come back to tell me what you think after. All right, enjoy. Good morning, guys. The apartment hunt continues. Let's see if I'll still finally find the exact perfect place. Good morning, sir. Hello, sir. Good morning, or good afternoon. How are you doing? Good morning. All right, guys, that's the agent. We moved. Okay, so we're checking out these apartments here inside. It's close to Lekki Phase 1 area that we're gonna go check out. These are some of the guys that's taking me to check out this place. So let's go see what it is on the inside.
Just wait for me when you land.
Okay.
On the fourth floor. Fourth floor.
Okay, you're in shape, sir. So this is the apartment.
I'm bigger, but I run fast.
Thank you. So this is 3-bedroom, I think.
It's 3 bedroom.
Okay. Is the lights powered on?
No. The light is off. I see it from the mains because I'm carrying out
some electrical things. Okay. All right. So the light is off now. This is the bathroom. Actually, I need a light. Okay. So this is the bathroom, guys. It's clean. It's good enough. And this is the entrance. It's an open entrance space. Is this the guest restroom here?
This is the guest.
Oh, that's the guest restroom.
Yeah.
Okay, what room is here? Okay. So this is the living room area. This is not bad at all. And this is the big balcony. Wow, this is amazing.
Because for
Oh, there's a pool. There's a pool downstairs. Thank you. Thank you, sir. And this is the kitchen.
All these things are that's not
Yes, it's from here. Okay.
so that's the store.
Ah.
This one, they just wait to be here.
Okay, so there's a BQ here. So this is 3-bedroom and a BQ. This is the storage area. Oh,
Oh, you touch, these boats, they didn't.
live often.
So that's the BQ.
Oh, okay. That has a
And
separate
every place
entrance
is
too.
common.
So this
For all the BQ.
the BQ has a separate,
Yeah, separate
entrance here. Okay, so there's a restroom. Okay. Oh, okay. So there's no kitchen for the person here, or fridge or anything. Oh, the shower is back there. Right? Okay. The BQ needs a fridge or a mini stove or something. Should I close that door? Okay.
Yeah, so I asked, he said the door will change.
Okay.
ASAP. It will
And
change.
this is the other door. Wait, how many bedrooms did I just see in here?
You just tell me everything.
Oh, okay. I was like, I don't. Okay. All right. So these are the bedrooms. Okay.
Yeah, all the doors and the
This
freezer.
is a. This looks like a hot water heater.
And that's the water heater.
Yeah. Okay. That's a hot water heater. Okay. Okay. So this is the bedroom. So there's 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
that's the master bedroom.
Which one is master man? This one. Okay. We'll start with this one. This is the bedroom.
This is the bedroom.
It's nice and spacious. And it has its own balcony.
Yeah, and you have the view of the
Yeah.
whole estate.
Very nice.
It's a nice
Very
view.
nice view. Okay. But no shower or restroom.
Yeah, the restroom.
So it's shared, Abby.
Shared with this.
Shared with
That's
two.
it, yeah.
Okay.
And what is that little thing?
You have to fix it. You have to scrape the balance. Because if you put too
That's
much,
the restroom here.
it will not flush. So if that's how we scrape it.
This is room number 2.
Okay. This is number 2.
Same thing as well. Nice balcony. Nice space. Okay. And more storage system here. Okay.
So there's gym and pool.
I saw pool downstairs. Okay. And this is the master, right? Ah, it's big. Okay. There's a little study or office area here. Wait, so. Okay. Oh, the shower is there. Okay, but this one has its own restroom. But this one has an AC there.
Yeah.
Well, why did you guys give the master bedroom a balcony? So it's the master bedroom. Okay, they already have a curtain here. Rod. Okay. So there's 2 ACs.
This is the outdoor.
Outdoor AC. Okay.
It's not really bad, right?
Huh? No, it's not bad, but it needs updating. Are they trying to fix it?
That's what I remove the old doors, they are fixing new ones. That's why they are fixing new doors.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why
Only doors.
what's repainting, getting doors. It has
The painting all looks good. It's fire sprinkler, eh? So when would this place be ready to move in?
She said 3 weeks time.
In 3 weeks. There's still a lot to fix. Okay.
So that's it, just
But the kitchen is lovely. So, I have a question about the kitchen. This place doesn't come with stove.
with what? You have to bring in your history.
So you have to bring in your stove and your own
Maybe I
fridge.
can let you see a furnished wall.
No, it's okay. I was just curious what all you have to bring in.
Normally you bring in, most of them put their history.
So we have to bring in a stove and the fridge.
Your fridge can fit into this end.
Okay. And there's no vent, I mean, for the cooking.
Some of them eventually put vent, but this place is like a kitchen hood. that
Yes,
will-
like a kitchen.
You can expel it through there.
This fan also pushes air outside, I know.
Yeah, and this one also takes it out. I think what they were doing, the builder were just looking at something economical and manageable.
Yes.
Not too dependent on electricity.
Yes.
And
And there's the pool, an open space area. They have an elevator, but I just want to take the stairs. But anyway, guys, offer me your feedback. What do you think about this apartment? Welcome back, guys. I am eating my Give me a moment. It's a good one. I'm so sorry to keep you guys waiting. Anyways, sorry. What do you guys think about the apartment? Let me know, give me your opinion. What do you guys think of the whole estate in general? Is this something you would live in? Is it too crazy for you? Just give me your thoughts and opinions underneath this comment. And I'm going to have some personal time with my Ballimore. You know, when you get them, you never know which one is sweet, which one is sour. But I got a sweet one. I'm so excited. Let me show you guys the inside. It's a good one. That's so good. All right, guys, lastly, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.